Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will continue working on the profile page. So we need the common header here. So I'll just import that. So import header from dot slash components slash header. Okay. And here I'm going to say header. Okay. Let me just save this file. Let's go to the browser. Let me refresh the file page. Okay. So now we are getting the common header which we have created. Now, let's go back to the VS Code, and inside the components folder, I'll create a new folder and name it as profile. Hit enter, and inside I'll create a new file with the name header because we need the header for profile page. Okay, so this was the common header, but here we need the header which will have the name and all, and then we will have a photo component. So that we will see, and here I'll say RAFCE, press tab, and this H should be capital. Let me just save this file, and here I'm going to say use state, then we need use effect. Okay, then we need prop types, so import prop types from prop types. Then we need skeleton, so import skeleton from React loading skeleton. Okay, then I'll create a const, and this will be is following profile, and set is following profile equals to use state, and initially it will be false. Okay, so it will help us to check whether we are following any profile or not. So this is it. Now what else we need? Here in this page we don't require anything right now. Now let's go back to profile page, and then I'll import the header component which we have created. So import header from components profile header. Okay, components profile header. Yeah, this is fine. I don't think we required here. Okay, let me just remove this. This will be the common header, but now what we will do is we will create one more file and name it as index.js. Hit enter. Okay, and here I'll do RAFCE, press tab, and instead of index, I'll say user profile. User profile. Okay. Let me just save this. Let's go back to profile, and here we are going to import that user profile. And where are we going to use it? We are going to use it here. Okay, let me just remove this, and I'll say user profile. If I hit enter, it will be auto imported at the top. So user profile, component profile. Okay, let me just save this file. And now what are we going to do? So here I'm going to pass the user, that is going to be user. Okay, save this. Let's go back to index, and we'll start working on the index file. So here we need prop types. So import prop types from prop types. Then we need header that we have created. So import header from dot slash header. Okay, then okay, here we need reducer, so use reducer, and then we also need use effect. Okay, and inside the profile we are going to destructure user. Okay, so now that we have, as you can see here, as a profile, this is the user which we are getting it here. Okay, so that's why I have destructured it. Then what else we need? Now let's create a uh, const, and then we are going to destructure profile. Then we need photo collections. So photo collection. Then we need follower count. So follower count. Then we need to dispatch. Okay, so dispatch, which is equal to use reducer and initial state. Okay, let me save this. Now at the top, I am going to take a const which is reducer. Okay, that is equal to state and new state. And here we need an arrow function. And here I'm going to say dot 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 state. Okay, dot 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 new state. Let me save this. Then what else we need? We need the initial state. So const initial state, that is equal to an object, and first one is profile, that is going to be an empty object. Then we need photos collection. Photo collection or photos collection? It is photos collection. Okay, photos collection, and that is going to an empty array. Then we need follower count. So follower count, that is going to be 0. Let me just save this. So this is done. Then we need a use effect. So before the return, I'll take an use effect. Okay, this will be an arrow function. And inside the use effect, I'm going to take an async function. So async function, and we need the method called get profile info and photos. Okay, and this function will have const photos equals to get user photos by user ID. Okay, so this we need to create in the service Firebase .js. So that way we are going to create, and this will be user dot user ID. Okay, user ID. Let me save this, and then we are going to dispatch this. So dispatch profile, which is going to be user photos collection, that is going to be photos. And then we have followers count. So followers count, that is going to be user dot follower dot length. Okay, and then we are going to execute this function. So let me just copy and I'll paste it here. This is done. Now we need to create this async function inside the firebase.js. So first I'll import it here, or let's create it first. Okay, get user photos by user ID. So let's go to Firebase, and here after get user by username, we are going to create a function. So let's copy this. Okay, and here I'm going to change the name, so which is get user photos by user ID, and here I'm going to pass the user ID. Okay, const result await Firebase Firestore. This is all same. This is user, and this will be user ID, that is equal to user ID, and we don't require this lowercase dot get, and this is fine. After dot get, okay, here we don't require all this. We are just going to return. Okay, let me just remove this from where it is coming till here. I'm going to remove this. We are going to return the user once again, but first let me create the user const. So here I'll say const user, that is equal to result dot docs dot map item dot item dot data. Then we need doc ID, that is going to be item dot ID. Okay, let me save this. Okay, here I think we don't require these two things. Okay, the round brackets we need to remove it. This is done. Now let's go to index.js and we need to import this function. So import get user photos by user ID. Okay, let me just save this. So this is fine. Now let's add the prop types as well so that this page will be done. So what we are going to do is here I'm going to say profile dot prop type. P should be small equals to user, and this will be prop types dot shape, and here I'm going to say date, that is going to be sorry date created, that is going to be prop type dot number. Okay, then we have email address, that is going to be prop types dot string. Okay, then what else we have? We have followers dot followers, that is going to be prop type dot string, prop type dot array. So this is going to be array. Then let me just duplicate this, and this will be following prop type dot array. Then we have full name, that is going to be prop type dot array again. Okay, then we have user ID, that is going to be prop type dot string. Then we need one more username. So username, that is going to be prop type dot string. Let me just save this. So why this is giving me an error? Profile is not defined. I think this should be user profile. So let me copy this, paste it here. Okay, this should be okay. I'll just change the name to profile. Okay, instead of user profile, I'll just say profile. Copy this, paste it here, save this. Okay, and while importing, we can write any name we want. So here, where I was importing, we can name the component what we require, whatever we wanted. But here we can change this to profile. Okay, so this is fine. Now what? Let's check whether we are getting the photos or not. So here I'm going to say console log. So CLO app photos. Let me just save this. Let me go to the browser. Okay, user profile. So here what I'm going to do is where was that header? Here, let me just say user dot user uh, username, right? So okay, for now let's keep this as it is. Okay, and now let's check whether we are getting the photos or not. So if I go to console, okay, for not for let me refresh it. Maybe this user don't have the photos. Okay, we are getting the error. Cannot read the property length. Which line is it? Followers.length. User.followers.length. Line number 29, index.js. Okay. Line number 29, user.followers.length. So here I have destructured the user and we are passing the user from the profile. Yeah, that's fine. And why it is not showing here? User.followers.length. Okay, let me just pause the video. I'll come back. Okay. So this we are getting the error. So let's go back to VS Code and here I'll add a null check that user and followers are not there. Okay, then we should not get any error. So that is gone. But here, as you can see, the array, we don't have any photos. Okay, so in Samir, we don't have any photos, but a few more changes we need to do. So here, as you can see, uh, invalid prop user dot full name is a the type should be string, and I have given an array. So here, full name should be string. Okay, let me just save this. And inside the Firebase.js, this here get user photos by user ID. I have done a mistake. The collection should be photos. Okay, and this is all correct. And the constant we should create as photos, and this will be photo. Okay, item will be photo. I just copied and pasted, so that's why I've done a mistake. So here, let me just save this. Okay, now this is done. You need to make these changes, and now here everything is fine. Let's go back and let me just refresh it. So as you can see, Samir don't have any photos, so you will not see any photos in the console. Okay, the array is 0. So here I'll do Carlos and hit enter. So now, as you can see here, we have array of 5. So if I open this, so here are the photos. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 photos. So this is working fine. We are getting the photos, but we need to show that photos that we will do in the next lecture. And here, what we need to do is I have created the header. Here I have imported, but I have not used it. So what I'm going to do is let's remove this, and here I'll take that header which I have created, and after that I'll just take a p tag, and here I'll say user dot username. Okay, let me just save this file. Let's go back and let me just refresh it. So as you can see, we have this Carlos and we are also getting this header. So now we'll work on the header and photos component in the next coming up videos. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. But here what we have, hook have a missing dependency of user. So I think this will be user dot username. Let me save this. Is it giving me an error? If I go to console, I don't see any error. Okay, let me remove the console also. That is not giving me an issue. This is user. Okay, if I do user, then what will happen? Okay, now that nothing is giving me an error and this also is gone. Let's keep this as it is now, and let's work on the photos component, header components from the next videos. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.